My name is Neo Sesheme. I am from Maputo. I attended the university at National University of Lesotho for my first degree. Currently, I am doing my master's still at National University of Lesotho. On my first degree, I was studying double major of development studies and sociology. The other course falls under social sciences, the other one under humanities. I learned about LHDA Bursary Programme through the Bursar's office. I got a call from the office, then I was told that being the top of the class on my first year, LHDA is willing to sponsor me going forward, also to pay whatever I may owe for the past year. This over entailed the accommodation, the tuition fee, the stipend, basically anything a varsity student may need in order to go forward with the studies. This, to me and my family, meant the removal of financial burden. That meant my family did not have to worry anymore about my tuitions, my stipends and everything. And to me, it was a relief. I was able to focus predominantly on my studies without thinking about my financial expenses because everything was covered. This program helped me in the sense that to me, it wasn't just an award for working hard or just a sponsorship. It was also a motivation to push harder where I am, to make sure that I maintain the status quo or I improve further so that I can keep this sponsorship that I have because opportunity never comes twice. So I had to make sure that whatever I do, I don't lose this sponsorship, and I can only do that by working hard on my studies. Well, since I've completed, I still managed to be the top of the faculty when I was graduating for my first degree. Being the top of the faculty, LHDA deployed me at Katsi branch of LHDA. I was working there as a compensation officer. It was just an internship. Then I realized what I did and what LHDA have done for me have opened doors for me. Right now I'm working at Budihadi branch of LHDA under a consultancy company which is working under LHDA at the construction of Budihadi Dam and Bridge. And I'm working so hard to expose my skills so that in the future, LHDA may give me another chance, maybe permanently this time. I'm working so hard to impress LHDA. Well, as now I am working under the program of young professionals of LHDA. I'm looking forward to being the best of the best where I'm working so that my skills can be exposed to an extent that LHDA can recognize me, maybe employ me permanently this time. Right now I'm doing a Master's in Development Studies because I realized it is a very important course, especially in LHDA and developments. After this experience that I've had, I am planning to give back to the community by sharing my knowledge and the steps that I took so that people that are coming behind me can be where I am or maybe surpass me, because there's nothing that makes me happy than helping others and seeing them succeed. All I can say to everyone that is maybe sitting at home or maybe who may be lucky to be under this program too, just make sure you stay focused, do your best, and God will probably do the rest.